India is a blessed land which makes it a unique country in the world. It is mountainous as well as leveled and fertile, whereas some places are barren. It has ancient plateaus, young fold mountains, along with the desert area. It has varied geographical features, climatic conditions, soils, and natural vegetations. India has very distinct physical features that divide the country into five main divisions. They are the Northern Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateaus, the Coastal Plains. Apart from these, there are two island groups that are also the part of India. They are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. The Northern Mountains or the Northern Mountain Wall consists of the Karakoram and the Himalayan ranges. The Karakoram Range is the northernmost range of the mountains in India. It extends from India in Kashmir and moves eastward into Tibet, where it is known as the Kailash Range. It includes the plateau of Chin, which is a disputed boundary between India and China. The highest peak of Karakoram Range is the Mount Godwin Austen, which is commonly known as K2, and it is also the second highest peak in the world. The Siachen and the Baltaro are the important glaciers here. The Ladakh and the Zaskar ranges lie to the south of Karakoram on the either side of river Indus, as it flows from northeast to the southwest direction. The Himalayan Range or the Himalayas are the most spectacular mountains. They lie to the south of the Karakoram. The Himalayas are the young fold mountains and the highest mountain range in the world. They play the most important role in shaping Indian climate. The name Himalaya is very appropriate as it means the abode of snow. There are three distinct mountain ranges in the Himalayas. They are the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas, the Himachal or the Middle Himalayas, the Shivaliks or the Outer Himalayas. The Himadri is the northernmost great Himalayan range. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, Lhotse, Makalu, Annapurna, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat, Nanda Devi, Trishul, and Kamet are located in this range. Famous rivers like Yamuna and Ganga come out of the Himadri ranges from Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers. The Himachal or the Middle Himalayas lies to the south of the Himadri. Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar are its important mountain ranges. Beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, Gangtok are located in this range. The Shivalik or the Outer Himalayas is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. The average height of this range is less than 1500 meters. Forests are in its Tarai region. There are broad valleys in this region which are known as dunes. The eastward continuation of the Himalayas are known as Purvanchal or Eastern Hills. They include the Patkai, Naga, Garo, Khasi, Jaintai, and Mizo Hills. Now, let's discuss about the northern plains. Plains are a large stretch of level and fertile land. The northern plains of India are among the largest plains in the world and are also called Indo-Gangetic Plain. The plains have been formed by the alluvial deposits of the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries. These plains comprise three distinct parts. They are Punjab Haryana plain, the Ganga plain and the Brahmaputra plain. The Punjab Haryana plain. This plain is a part of the Indus basin which is in eastern Pakistan and northwestern India. The plain includes the Pakistan province of Punjab and the Indian states of Punjab and Haryana. This plain is around 2 to 300-meter high. It is drained mainly by the rivers Satluj, Ravi and Beas, which are the tributaries of the river Indus. The Ganga Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is also known as the Indus-Ganga Plain and the North Indian River Plain. It is 2.5 million square kilometer fertile plain encompassing northern regions of the Indian subcontinent. It is the most extensive part of the northern plains and is formed by the river Ganga and its tributaries, which are Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Son. Together, they make this plain one of the most fertile plain in the world. The Brahmaputra basin drains the eastern part of the plains. The Brahmaputra river rises very close to the river Indus near the lake Mansarovar and flows eastwards parallel to the Himalayas in Tibet, where it is known as the Sangpo. It flows through Tibet and China and enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. It meets Ganga in Bangladesh, from where it flows as Meghna or Jamuna and drains into the Bay of Bengal. The tributaries of Brahmaputra are Subansiri, Bharali, Manas, Dhansiri, and Tista. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, also known as Sundarbans, is the world's largest delta.